Ever heard of the rule of three in survival situations? It says you can live 3 minutes without air, 3 days without water, 3 weeks without food. Sounds about right, doesn't it? But here's the catch. It's not always accurate. It depends on a multitude of factors, like your health, weather, and activity level. Now let's bust another myth. The one about drinking cactus water. A desperate thirst might have you eyeing that plump cactus, but hold on, partner. Not all cacti are safe to drink from. Some can cause severe vomiting, and that's the last thing you want when you're already dehydrated. Survival isn't about following rules, it's about adapting to the situation. So remember, knowledge is your best tool. If you found this interesting, give us a like, hit that follow button, and subscribe for more survival tips.